Standing dumbbell shoulder press, target muscle shoulder, triceps, upper chest. Perform this while standing or sitting on the bench with back supported. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the dumbbell with both hands at shoulder height. Press the dumbbell upward until your arms is completely straight and then slowly bringing it back to the starting position. Select the right weight and do 3 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions. Single arm dumbbell front raises, target muscle front deltoids. In this, hold the one dumbbell with both your hands and stand straight as shown in the video. Keeping the elbow slightly bended, lift the dumbbell up to the shoulder height and then with the control without jerking the body, bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. You can also perform this exercise with the dumbbell in both hands. This is the best isolation exercise. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. One arm dumbbell lateral raises, target muscle side deltoids. Just as you perform the regular dumbbell lateral raises exercise, you have to perform it with the one hand. In this way, keeping your body stable, lift the dumbbell toward the side until your hand hands become parallel to the ground, keeping your elbows slightly bended and arms straight. With the lightweight dumbbell, do 3 sets of this and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. One arm dumbbell real delt row, target muscle real deltoid and upper back. Holding a dumbbell in one hand, stand bent over position with the support of a flat bench or anything with the other hands. With the hands hanging straight downward, bend the elbow and pull the dumbbell upward to the side and then slowly lower the dumbbell to the starting position. With the same form, it has to be performed with the other hand also. Do 3 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Incline dumbbell reverse fly, muscle work real deltoid and upper back. Lean down on an incline bench with the chest supported and hold the lightweight dumbbell with both hands in front of each other. Bend the elbow slightly, lift the dumbbell out to the side in reverse fly position until your hands are parallel to the ground. Then lower them back down with the control. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Dumbbell side to front raises, target muscle front and side deltoids. Stand holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands and then lift the dumbbell up toward the side in the form of lateral raises. After doing one repetition of this, in the second repetition, lift the dumbbell up in front of you in the form of front raises. Similarly, you have to perform it with the alternating form. Do 3 sets of these and 15 to 20 repetitions with both the exercise.